Much about this graceful ray remains a mystery, but the demand for their body parts is high. Gill plates are used in Chinese folk medicine. Their cartilage is cheap filler for shark fin soup. At most, females produce one pup a year. Replenishing their ranks may be a losing battle. The island's plankton buffet also draws little filter feeders, sardines, anchovy, and herring. Hatched among the sheltering rocks, they begin schooling within weeks and never stop. They feed, spawn, migrate, and dodge predators en masse. Silver scales reflect sunlight one instant and blue water the next. Individual fish blend into the darting, flashing schools, reducing the chance of being eaten from 30% to nearly 1%. Still, they remain high on the menu for the birds hidden atop these islands. Pelican chicks wait for their parents to return with a fish dinner. Born virtually helpless, they're camouflaged as guano-covered rock. A hungry gull would be glad to snatch one. The pelican may look like a whimsical drawing, a hodgepodge of parts, but it has changed very little in the past 30 million years. As far as evolution is concerned, the pelican was nearly perfect when our ancestors were still living in trees. With a wingspan of nearly 7 feet, they glide low over the water, a squadron of dive bombers looking for flashes of silver. Keen-eyed frigate birds and cormorants notice pelicans on the move. They've caught a massive school of herring out in the open. There's nowhere to hide. Brown pelicans are one of only 2 diving pelicans in the world, plunging from as high as 100 feet in the air. They strike the water with incredible force, stunning fish 6 feet deep. Air sacs under the bird's skin absorb the shock of the dive, like a layer of bubble wrap. Unlike the buoyant pelican, the cormorant is built for deep dives. These ancient birds arose some 70 million years ago. Its ancestors dove the seas of Eurasia when T. rex ruled the land. Dense bones and wettable feathers allow it to swim hundreds of feet on a single breath. The cormorant slices through the water like a submarine, steering with its tail. They cruise along, target a fish, then hit the gas. The brown pelican was nearly wiped out in the 1970s by the pesticide DDT. Unleashed on the food chain, DDT was delivered to these birds by the herring. Their eggs became fragile, generations crushed by their own parents. Once teetering on the edge of extinction, the brown pelican has fully recovered. Left to its own devices, nature doesn't allow holes in the food web. Every plant and animal is a specialist with a set of tools for survival. Hunters need speed. Ambush predators dress for success. Slow-moving vegetarians grow poisonous spines. If you travel the open water, swim with a buddy or arm yourself with a knife-like barb.